this door because I know how y'all be in this house. Is the lighting okay? Okay. Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I know every time in like most of my recent videos, I feel like I'm coming at y'all with the same hairstyle every time. But the reason for that is because lately my hairstyles, they only last like 2 days and then I throw them in a puff after 2 days. Also because I haven't been taking care of myself. Like I just go to sleep. I don't bend my hair, I don't pineapple. I just be like, you know what, I'm tired, I'm going to sleep. That's just what it is. Anyway, so I have to be a little quiet because my niece is sleeping over there. Yeah, you guys know what it is. But anyways, today's video is long overdue. I am doing a, let me open this bag real quick because I don't even know what I'm doing. I got the stuff, you guys. I got the stuff. So I'm doing a Indian healing clay mask treatment today or whatever. I know a lot of you guys requested this as well. So I told y'all I'm not playing with you guys. I'm getting it together. If you follow me on Instagram, shameless plug, you should right here. Hello. The other day I did a twist out and my hair was popping, okay? I'm gonna insert that boomerang right here, because it deserves all the recognition, okay? Thank you. But still, it doesn't mean I'm back to where I need to be. So we're doing a hair clay mask, blah. So first of all, when I was ordering the Aztec clay mask, this is so unnecessary, and I don't know why I bought this, but they have like a kit now where it sells you, it like literally sells you everything that you need to do this treatment. It gave me the clay mask, the apple cider vinegar, it gives you the plastic thing to mix it in, it gives you like a measuring spoon, one of these things for your face, which I will definitely be using, and it gives you a plastic bowl. Isn't that great? Because you're like, if you know, you're not supposed to use these things with metal because of like the stuff, girl, you know, the sciencey stuff that I don't really be talking about. So with that being said, you know, I was talking to one of my black friends the other day and she was like, I didn't know you could put this stuff in your hair. I was like, give me your natural card back, girl. You ain't natural. All right, so this ain't about to be a whole tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what I'm doing, but while I'm mixing this, just want to mention something really quick, because would I be me if I didn't air out my grievances? No, I wouldn't. I was reading through my comments the other day, and sometimes on certain videos, I know that I'm probably not gonna want to read the comments because I just like to protect my peace nowadays. And even though the comments are usually like 20% bad, 80% good, you know, that 20%, I don't have time for it. So, but I decided to read my comments from the last hair video. And one girl, I ain't respond to her because I'm better than that, but she said something along the lines of like, stop milking this topic. Your hair's not even damaged. You're just doing this for views. And I'm just like, first of all, I've only done 2 videos about me talking about damaged hair. But the thing is, this is what makes me realize, okay, let me do this at the same time. This is what makes me realize, like, you just cannot live to please people, because I have some people in my comments saying like the same thing, like your hair's not even damaged, you're overreacting, blah, blah, blah. And then I have the other half of people saying, girl, stop holding on to your damaged ends, cut them off, they'll never be the same. Like, you're holding on to a bad relationship, girl, just let it go. It doesn't look good, it's straggly, it's damaged. And I'm just like, so which one? Which one are we at? You know, I had this girl, she tried it. She's like this comment if you think Jessica needs to cut off her hair and big chop. I said, sis, I don't care how many people like this comment, I'll cut my hair when I'm ready, you know? And I am not ready to cut off all my hair. I'm just not, I'm sorry. I know people are all like, oh, health over length, but that's when we're talking about a good trim or so, not when it's coming to cutting off 80% of my hair. I'm not doing it yet. So with that being said, I do think, I'm not even gonna tell y'all what I think no more, because I don't wanna hear your commentary. I'm sorry, girl, I just don't. I know 30% of you guys think I'm overreacting and my hair is not damaged at all and I'm just talking about this just to talk. That's okay. The other 30% of you guys are like, Jess, you need to cut it off. It's damaged, it doesn't look good, there's nothing you can do, it's too late. We tried to tell you, you should have listened to us, blah, blah, blah. The other 30% is like, we can see it needs help, but you know, there's still hope, like try this product, try that product, it worked for me, it can work for you, blah blah. And there's just 10% of you like, hey girl, so glad you uploaded a video, love you, you're so great. Love that 10%, love you. Also love the, hey girl, it's gonna be alright, just keep doing these treatments, love you, love you. Some of y'all, you know, I'm not your biggest fan right now, but it's okay. It really is okay. Everyone's entitled to their own opinion, and I'm not losing sleep over it. So if lately you see me not really responding to a lot of comments, is because I'm just not reading them. Because once I see one comment that bothers me, I know they ruin it for the whole bunch. And like I said, I'm not mad at people who want to post their opinions. That's just like, that's what YouTube is, you know? Hold on, let me show y'all the stuff. Wait. In case you've never seen these before. Come on, focus. This is what happens when you add the stuff in. Can you see? It's about to tip out. It gets like all bubbly and stuff. Can you hear that? That's what happens when you add in the apple cider vinegar. In case you've never seen this or done it before, I'm just giving you the little heads up. So I'm just gonna mix this together. Getting my mix on. And clearly I'm gonna need a little bit more apple cider vinegar because it's way too thick. Like I'm saying, I'm not sitting here saying, oh, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all. Because, hey, look, I can take it. You can say whatever you want in the comments. But at the end of the day, one, I'm going to do what I want to do. If I want to cut my hair, I will. If I don't want to, I won't. Anyway, I'm going to mix this up. Okay, so this is a pretty good consistency for you, girl. Yeah, come on. That thing's thick. It ain't even coming off the spoon, you know what I'm saying? All I'm gonna do now is add some tea tree oil in there, just because, you know, add a little razzle dazzle. Stuff smells kind of strong. Okay, so before I start, I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair, and I'm gonna change my shirt too, because I know this is about to be some type of messy process. You guys know I always like to give you the before of what your girl is looking like. Like I said, this was a twist out at one point, and then I went to sleep, and I woke up, and it was no longer a twist out. So I spritzed my hair with water, and it kind of gave me like this little cute little afro. As I go throughout each section, oh, and I'm wearing like a little tube top, so everyone relax. So as I go throughout each section, I'm going to spritz with water and detangle it, because your hair is going to get really hard, and the last thing you want is hard nappy hair, you know what I'm saying, like naps galore. So I want to make sure my hair is thoroughly detangled, and then I'm just going to start putting the product through my hair. So my hair is detangled like that. So I'm just going to take a little bit, like this much. Make sure you get it on your scalp as well, because it is clarifying and detoxifying, all that good stuff, and then just put it all down throughout my hair. But that's all I'm gonna do throughout this whole process. Okay, so this is my hair halfway through the process. Now this is the thing, like my curls in the bottom are really curling up a lot, but it's like always so flat on the top. But here just a little before and a little after, you know. We're getting in there. We are getting in there. Tell me it don't look good. Tell me it don't look good. Lie to me. Lie to my face. Hello? Okay, it's fine. I'll be here all day. Okay, so I'm gonna do this side of my hair, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I am all done with this treatment. So let me just give you a close-up of my hair. It's definitely feeling very hard. This side's not as hard yet because it's still a little bit wet from me just doing it, but this side is definitely hard and crunchy. So I'm just gonna let it sit in my hair for like another 15 to 20 minutes. Wash it out. You're gonna wanna wash this out with warm water, because if y'all saw my video a little while ago, my warm water wasn't working and I had to wash it off with like lukewarm water, and that joint was not coming out. So definitely want to wash this out with warm, maybe hot water. I don't know, it's up to you, girlfriend, but I'm just giving you a little tip, okay? And yes, this is very messy. This is my chest, just messy and hard. So anyways, I'm gonna go wash this out. Okay, you guys, I'm back again. So after, you know, about 2 hours of deep conditioning, I have officially rinsed out my deep conditioner, and you know, I mean, I feel like we're on to something here. My hair's still drenched in water. I'm still in my towel. I just have to come and show you guys before my hair starts air drying, because believe me, once it starts air drying, it's gonna be a different story. It's not gonna look like this anymore. So I was just like, let me come and show y'all real quick what's good. Let me show y'all the back. Whew. Whew, it's been a long journey. Okay, so like I said in my last hair video, we're gonna give the wash and goes a break for right now. Yeah, I don't wanna see a wash and go again for like a while, you know? I'm talking about 3 to 6 months, you know what I'm saying? What I'm gonna do is, I'm going to do a half braid, half twist out. Basically, you just braid halfway down and then twist the other halfway down. But first, I'm gonna go in with my Curl Repair leave-in from Cream of Nature. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with some of my grapeseed oil, start my lock method. And then for my half braid, half twist, I'm gonna use my hydrating curl cream by Cream of Nature also. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. Come on, somebody. This is definitely going to be my style of choice from now on. I normally stretch my hair with a blow dryer, but this length is pretty okay for me. And I'm noticing that when I don't stretch my hair with a blow dryer, my hairstyles last a lot longer. So gonna keep this up for a while. I'm definitely feeling the braids at the top and the twist at the bottom because it gives me a little bit more length without having to use heat. And twisting my hair just gives me some way more definition than a wash and go right now, since my hair, you know, don't know what she's really doing. So this is what we're doing right now. This is what we're doing. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I will actually read the comments for this video here. Yeah, love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.